Hey everyone, my name is Anthony. I am the founder of RebookMedia, but I'm also a photographer like you. On this video, I will share with you my workflow for delivering the final files to my client on a shoot I just completed, invoicing, and also review of my work. You're going to find it super easy with RebookMedia. So the first thing I'll do is log in to my account. Then I'll scroll down to the project section and find my project. If my project is not here, I can easily add the project here. I'll click on the project and review the details. So this is a real estate shoot. Here you can change it to aerial, portraits, or whatever categories you support. But in this case, this was a real estate shoot. So my client ordered photos and floor plans, and it's $349. Here I can type a quick description. 30 HDR photos. And I will add another service line for 4 additional photos I delivered. 4 photos at $5 each. You'll see that this automatically adjusts the balance due to $369. Now, I am not collecting sales tax on this job, but if I were, all I have to do is click on tax, and this automatically calculates the sales tax for me. I'm going to remove that. Now to upload the files, I just click on media, and here are the photos I will be uploading. I'll just click on the photos and drag it into this section. Now the client also ordered floor plans, and because this is a real estate job, this floor plans for real estate section shows up. So let's find those files. Okay, select them all and just drag and drop. All right, once the files are fully uploaded, let's select a cover page. Let's go with this front image and click on Select as Cover. Next, click on Preview, and this is what the client will see as their final work. Now, if you want to change this text, you can always update the text here. I'm just going to type in 3 Summerfield Drive and a subtitle of Your Home Awaits. Now let's refresh that page, and there you go. It looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, so the work has been uploaded. Let's go back to project details, and this is the final invoice, $369. Let's go ahead and trigger that invoice to the client. Click on Send Invoice and Send. This automatically pre-formats the email and with all the right links so they can pay via Stripe. Click on Send. And there you go. The invoice has been triggered to the client. It's that easy. As part of my workflow, I also like to request a review of my work. So I just click here and send request via email and SMS. This automatically triggers this link to the client, which I'll show you what it looks like. It's basically a review of the latest work you've done. So click on Send Request via email and SMS. Are you sure? Yes. And it is done. So that's it. That's my entire workflow for delivering my work to my customer, triggering an invoice, and requesting a review of my work. Drop a comment if you have any questions.